It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Roosevelt Middle School in Oceanside, California. I've been here many times before. This is a new location on campus though. We had a more intimate session here in the choir room, and it was just another amazing afternoon getting to speak to the students and staff, part of the AM/PM after school program. And the topic today was a brand new one in my series on citizenship. The sub-theme was at home, school, and community. That we look to make a difference, a lasting change, make an impact, not just here on site at school, but also where we live and reside, but also in our community too. And the students really did take this to heart. I had a couple of them come up to me afterwards and shared with me that they've seen me before at their elementary schools. Now they're sixth graders, or a few years back when we saw each other. And it's always encouraging for me to know that these young people are listening, to some of the heartfelt stories, or really reacting to the inspirational videos of students their age being the change, making a difference in this world. Really being all ears to and heart for the spoken word poetry that I do, the hip hop that's all positive and uplifting in nature, and all this combined, the physical props too. It's trying to just touch a small piece of their heart. And if we can do that, right, we know that we're making this world a better place, right? Because if I touch someone's heart, well, maybe they want to go touch someone else's heart, and this kindness can keep growing and growing and growing. And that's citizenship at its core, right? It's, just being a good person overall, right? It's being respectful, being kind, listening to the rules, following instructions, lending a helping hand when we feel compelled to do that. But something that we got to live out each and every day. It's part of the mission aspect that we've talked about. It's part of our purpose, our legacy, what you want to be remembered for. And it's all wrapped up into one. It starts in the heart, of course. And then it's up to us to, not just be passionate about, whatever it is, our life skills, our abilities, our talents, our gifts, right? Having some type of passion, right? That's sort of the first step. The second step is, wanting to use that passion to go make a difference. And the third step is actually doing it, right? We can always say, I want to be kind. I want to, I want to really be all in. I want to every day look for an opportunity to lift someone up and not tear them down. Yeah, we can speak until we're blue in the face, but until we actually go do it, it doesn't really matter, right? Until we actually give our time, the most precious gift out there, to someone else or a group of people, it's not going to change, right? So we always have these chances and these moments where if our heart is open enough, we can see someone else in need. And when you do that, it feels good. It feels good to make a difference. It feels hopefully good for that person, and hopefully that love and kindness can just keep spiraling and rippling outward until who knows how many people it will actually touch. We're never going to know the full impact of certain acts of kindness that we choose to do, but we still do it because it's the right thing, because it's heavy on our heart. And we always remember that we try to include everyone. We show that empathy, that compassion. We see ourselves as miracles. The concept I bring up in every assembly is so important to me. The lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here, upside down, W's for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, now it's up to us to go be that light to someone else's heart. And hopefully just have that profound impact continue to just expand until this world just becomes a better place, right? The world needs a lot more kindness, and we can be the impetus for that. But thanks, touching my heart. Had a great afternoon as always. I'll be back 2 more times this school year. Until then, be those amazing, great citizens that I know you can be. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.